I am super excited to bring y'all the new collection from The Main Choice, the Proceed with Caution Killer Curls and Brutal Bounce collection. So I'll be using all of the products that I'm showing right now real fast in the video and talking through it a little bit so you can see how I use them to create this look. So the first step is using the Stop the Damage pre or post poo mask. I've never used a pre poo mask in my life, so this is interesting. So you put it from the roots to the tips before you wash your hair on dry hair, or you can use it after you wash it, but I used it before. And then I put on one of these plastic conditioning caps from the Main Choice. And it says that with the plastic cap, you leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes with heat and without heat for up to an hour. And then you just rinse it out. So I rinsed it out and used their Slippery When Wet shampoo and followed up with their 4-way conditioner. Now this conditioner is a co-wash, leave-in, detangler, or rinse out. So I used it as a rinse out when I was washing my hair, and then I'm going to follow up and use it as a leave-in when I style my hair with their Look Both Ways hair and edge gel. I love how they have both edge control and hair gel in one container. And both work super well. So for this part, I'm using the hair gel. So I'm putting some of the conditioner in there, and I'm separating using their crocodile clips, which have a crazy strong hold, way stronger than those little rinky-dink silver joints. So I put in their 4-way conditioner, like I said, to leave in. And so I'm following up by putting in some of their hair gel. Now for this, I use a lot more hair gel than usual because I'm just using a leave-in conditioner as my foundation. So I'm putting a lot more hair gel in there to hold it. And I'm just separating and finger coiling a little bit to truly define those curls. And I just continue this throughout my whole head, of course. And y'all, this stuff smells super good. The scent is Japanese cherry. And I swear to you, every single product in this line smells good. Like none of them have a real chemical smell. Even down to this hair gel that I'm using. So I take some of the hair gel and I just finish it off by fluffing my hair a little bit before I dry it, just adding a little extra hold. So I just finished blow drying my hair, and before I fluff it out, I'm going to put on some of their Dangerous Luster and Shine Illuminator to add a little extra scent and a little sheen to this look. So I just put a little on my hand and distribute it on the surface, you know, just all around my head. Add a little more. And then I just take my pick and fluff it out. So I went and pulled myself together and finished this look using their Look Both Ways hair and edge gel. I used the edge gel for the extreme hold, and let me tell you, it holds, okay? So I just put some of that on there, used my toothbrush to kind of brush it up, and then I used their Firm Hold Jumbo Bobby Pins to keep that part up there. And this is it. So that is the Proceed with Caution collection, and I am in love.